Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to look at a button-down knit shirt made by Kufani. Now this shirt is made with 80% viscose and 20% polyester, which means that it should drape and have a really nice feel, almost silk-like, and it has a lot of elastic type abilities with this shirt. So the shirt we're looking at today is going to be in navy blue, but it is going to come in 10 different colors, and it's going to come in sizes small all the way to 3X. Be sure that you check your sizes and your colors to make sure that they are available for what you're actually needing when you order. So this shirt is going to be fully machine washable, which means that it makes it extremely easy to take care of this shirt. So what we're going to do is we are going to open up the shirt real quick, take it out of the little vacuum seal, and take a good look at the construction of the shirt, and then we're going to try it on and see how it actually feels. So let's do that. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you separate the plastic here at the very end and you pull and break the seal. When you break it, now you can get the actual shirt out. So we're going to take it, slide it out, and we're just going to set that over to the side over there out of our way. Now we are going to fold it out just like that and take a good look at the actual shirt. Now, the first thing I'm going to point out is I love the actual pattern here. It is really nice. I love the way it looks. And keep in mind, guys, these things are going to go away the first time you wash it. That's just from being folded and in a package. Now, I also want to point out that this fabric on the front is going to be somewhat see-through. You can kind of see my fingers and stuff here. So it gives a little bit of the skin tone when you're wearing it from the front. And in the back, it is going to be solid, just like this here. And you are not going to see anything through it, but it is going to allow it to move and be flexible when you're wearing it. Now, this material is very flexy. Even where your buttons go on the sides here, you're going to find that it is very flexible. So let me see if I can get one of these off so that you can kind of see, but they stretch. Now, you always want to look at the buttonholes and make sure that they're stitched really nicely around it so that that doesn't deteriorate. I see a lot of those that are just really not very well made, and it's always a problem buttoning shirts and unbuttoning them. This one is extremely nice. Now, you're also going to want to pay attention to the buttons themselves and see how they are put on. These are stitched in really well. You can see all the threads going the way they should. Sometimes I'll see these with the threads on just one side or the other. Just kind of sloppy. These are done very nice all the way around, and you want to look at the back and see how they finish them off. They all look really good. Now, they do give you an extra button in case you lose one, so you'd want to cut this loose and keep it inside of a jewelry box so you'll always have a matching button. Now, the other thing I like to look at is I like to look at stitching itself, so where they actually put all the fabric together. So I look at the sides here and look at my stitching. This is done very nicely all the way around. I mean, you can almost, it looks like just one piece of fabric the way that they actually did this. It looks really good. The top around the collar, which this is a lay down collar, is done very well, and it's also a stretchy material. And I look across the top and I can feel the band that they put in. The actual little name tag, I like it's smooth. It's not a sticky name tag. A lot of these I have to cut off because they just irritate me, but this one is very smooth. You're not even going to know it's there. And let's take a look at the actual armpits. The armpits themselves, it looks like a cross section, and it's very well done. They pulled the fabric up and stitched it together, so that's going to make that a strong point. And let's see the actual shoulder. Here's your shoulder part on this side, and it is the same way. So they did a very good job of stitching that. The actual hem down at the bottom, I can see a stitch point, it looks like right here, and it's stretchy. So they did a good job there. So overall, guys, I think it is a very nice looking shirt. So what we are going to do next is we are going to try it on and see how it actually feels and functions. So let's do that. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to point out, guys, is the weight. It has a little bit of a weight to the shirt. It is knitted, and that's actually what you want because you don't want it to be too lightweight, because if it is too lightweight, when you go to raise your arms and things like that, everything's just going to bunch up. If you go to sit in a chair, it's going to bunch up on you as well. So this feels really nice. Now, I can see the skin through here if I move in certain areas and it pulls, which is not bad. It's actually gives it a kind of a cool look. Now, the next test that I've got on this is I want to know, how does it feel when I raise my arms, or from the front and from the back. So the first thing I'm going to do is raise my arms here, and I feel practically nothing. It moves up the arm nice and easy. It just feels good. Matter of fact, this shirt feels so good, I don't know if I want to take it off after this is done, because it feels extremely comfortable. Now we're going to turn around, and I'm going to reach, and I can feel it pull up just a little, but they give you enough length where it is very long. So it's going to do very well for you. Now, this shirt I could see you wearing at a beach, at a get together, out on a date, just running around town. I could see you wearing this with blue jeans, with slacks, with just about any shorts. You could wear this all over the place. Now, being that it is a little bit see-through in the front, you might not want to wear this at a really, really heavy duty social event, but for pretty much everything else, I think this shirt's going to be fantastic. So if I was rating the Kufendi knit button down shirt with the little collar on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars. I think it's made very well. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.